how to fix WhatsApp voice message not working. Hello guys, if you have any problem with the voice message, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do is very simple. All what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After that, go to the apps here in the top and wait a few seconds, and then on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp. After you find WhatsApp, then click on it like this, and here on this page, or what you have to do now is just click here on force stop. After you click on it, now on what you have to do is just restart your phone or turn it off and turn it on again, and then reopen WhatsApp, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the end.